Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Vlogs Manish. Hope you guys are safe and doing great. So today I'll be talking about accessories on my bike Dominar 2019. So just to give a quick update on this bike, I got it last year in the month of May 2019. I was among those first 10 customers in Bangalore to get this bike. And I mean basically जो लोग मुझे Instagram पे follow करते they know about this. If you're not following me on this user ID Uvlogs Manish, which is on the screen, so you'll be up to date. And on today's vlog, yes, I'll be talking about those accessories that which I've got fitted on my Dominar. 6 से 7 accessories है, so I'll be taking on on each accessories की कहाँ से खरीदा मैंने, what's the price cost and how is it functional. So I'll be just quickly reviewing it as well, so that it will be easy for you guys to understand कि कौन सा accessories खरीदना है and कौन सा नहीं खरीदना है. Okay, so अभी मैं अपने घर के थोड़ा बगल वाले रोड में आया हूँ just to shoot this video and have taken all the safety precautions, no worries on that. And before we start on the accessories, let's have a quick slow motion on the bike. Okay, पहले तो let's start with this number plate clamp which I got it from Kivraj Motors, Kasturba Road, which is hyperrider.in basically. So ये आपको मिलेगा 450 rupees. It's a pretty good stuff which अगर आपको यहाँ नहीं चाहिए अपना नंबर प्लेट और नीचे में चाहिए तो यू कैन हैव दिस क्लैम्प फिक्स्ड. एंड उसके अलावा ये केसिंग जनरली यू गेट इन एवरीवेयर. इट्स 250 रुपीज़ for front and 250 rupees for back, basically 500. So iska 450 and is case ka 500, so that's like $1,000. And now talking about the visor, this smoked visor, I got it from Autolock Design. So I got it from Autolock Design. It costed me around 2800 when I did a pre-order. अभी order करोगे so शायद 300-400 ज़्यादा पड़ेगा. It's a beautiful visor which is perfectly modeled and it helps a lot on your long rides. So this, now moving on to your knuckle guards. ये KTM का knuckle guard है which I again ordered through online. I don't remember which website. It costed me around roughly around $800 और इंस्टॉलेशन का 400 रुपया या 300 रुपया जो अपने लोकल मैकेनिक से करवाया था मैंने. So including this too, I got it installed. Okay, उसके अलावा आपका मोबाइल होल्डर along with the charger, this costed me 1,000 rupees. I ordered through Amazon, which is pretty good stuff. I've been using it since like good 6-7 months. It's superb, excellent. So now very important part. So this, if you see, ये आपका कार्बन रेजिंग का हैंडल बार रेजर है दोनों साइड पे. ओके, इफ़ यू नोटिस इट्स रिटन C उल्टा में. सो आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम कार्बन रेजिंग, रफली अराउंड 1200 अगेन. इंस्टॉलेशन का कुछ 500 रुपये लगा क्योंकि थोड़ा सा वायरिंग इशू है. बिकॉज सिंस आई एम 5'12" इन हाइट, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा ऐसे बेंड करना पड़ रहा था जिसकी वजह से बैक पेन हो रहा था. तो आई गॉट दिस इंस्टॉल्ड. इट्स लाइक roughly around 2 inches or so, and it helps a lot. So if you are also like 5'12" or more than that, probably you can go with this handlebar razor. It will be very useful. Wiring का थोड़ा पंगा रहेगा, so when you're getting fixed through a local mechanic, just ensure on that part. Rest, it's fabulous. Moving forward, I got this fog lamp on both the sides. This I got it from JC Road and it costed me around again 1,500 plus 300 for installation. So far it's doing amazingly perfect. And जब long rides जाओगे आप रात के time, it's gonna be very useful because of those trucks का जो light रहता है high beam में. This you switch it on, it will be visible for you quite easily. And then moving along, this backrest. This is one of the most important and I would say very useful stuff which I got it from Hyper Rider, again Kasturba Road. So it's costed me 2500 rupees with installation. So you can see this Hyper Rider. आपका बजाज शोरूम है कस्तूरबा रोड में, उसके अंदर ही हाइपर राइडर है, वेर यू गेट ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्सेसरीज रिलेटेड टू डोमिनोर. आपको लाइट चाहिए, वाइज़र चाहिए, बैक रेस्ट चाहिए, प्रॉब्ली सैडल स्टेज चाहिए, पैनियर स्टेज, सब कुछ मिलेगा ए टू जेड. यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो विजिट एंड गिव अ ट्राई इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एनी ऑफ द एक्सेसरीज. सो दिस एक्सेसरी पर्टिकुलरली इज़ वेरी यूजफुल बिकॉज जब कोई पीछे बैठता है, it gives a lot of comfort to them on the long rides or even in fact in the city rides, so that when my friends sit on the bike, it's quite useful traveling along. So that is one of the things which I got fixed very recently. So that's it, guys. I have total in 6 accessories. I'm planning to get those saddle stay, top box and rest of the things, which once I get, I will definitely make a video of that. Abhi ke liye itna hi. Let's head back home and we'll talk more on this. So I'm back home now, and as I mentioned, I have total in 6 accessories on my bike, which costed roughly around 10,000 total, including all those accessories with installation. So far, it's the bike is brilliant, 400cc Dominar. It's excellent. भले वो highway हो या फिर city rides, I'm just in love with this bike. I'll be doing a quick review of the bike once I complete 1 year. That's in the month of May. I'll be sharing my overall 1 year experience. What are the issues and what is good, what is bad in that, everything in detail. And talking about the accessories, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. So in case if you would like to purchase, you can always click on the link, go visit and purchase. And if you have any questions or queries, always do mention it in my comment section, which I'll definitely address it for you, and I'll be helping you on that. So right now, that's it. आज के लिए इतना ही. So if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more interesting content that will help me to make more interesting videos. So as always, guys, खुश रहो, दूसरों को खुश रखो, बाकी time do whatever you want to do, stay safe, and let others also be safe on that.